Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Women empowerment crucial for upliftment of country and society, says President Murmu. Ex-police officer M. Kharkran blames unemployment for emergence of new militant outfit in the state. Chandrayaan-3 starts a process of identifying site for safe landing on Moon's surface. And 10th Northeast Shooting Championship kick-starts in Shillong. And now for the news in detail. President Draupadi Murmu has said that women empowerment is crucial for the upliftment of the country and the society. Addressing Azmita, an event organized by Army Wives Welfare Association in New Delhi today, the president said India has a 50% female population and they have a very important role in the development journey of the country. She said a woman can live, fight and progress without a man and show it to the world, and women's progress holds a great significance in the society and the nation. She highlighted the needs to leave some old ideas and adopt new ideas. She shared that the identity and self-confidence of women could be strengthened by adopting progressive ideas.
इसीलिए आज देश में शायद आधा आबादी नारियां हैं। आज देश इकोनॉमिकली 5th पोजीशन है। हम स्वप्न देखते हैं इकोनॉमिकली नंबर 1 भारत नंबर 1 बने, इसीलिए हम प्रयास कर रहे हैं।
Former police officer and Meghalaya State Unit BJP spokesperson Mariahom Kharkrang has said that one of the reasons of youths joining militant outfits is the lack of job opportunities, while adding that this often leads to nowhere. Kharkrang said that these youths felt the need to join militancy after seeing how militants are being rehabilitated by the government after being in the outfit 10 to 15 years. He also praised the state police for nipping in the bud the attempt of insurgency to raise its ugly head again with the arrest of the self-proclaimed chairman of the National Liberation Council of Nongkondong recently. Kharkrang also said that both the police department and the government should find out the reasons for the resurgence of militant outfits. When asked why juveniles are also joining these groups, he said such youths are gullible and do not understand the consequence and are most used by those who are older than them. The Chandrayaan-3 has started the process of identifying safe landing area on the surface of the moon with the help of its Lander Hazard Detection and Avoidance Camera LHDAC. ISRO today released images of lunar far side area which has been captured by the LHDAC with the help locating safe area without boulders or deep trenches. This special device is developed by Ahmedabad Base Space Applications Center, a major research and development center of ISRO. According to the space agency, the lander module with rover is likely to touch down on the surface of the moon around 6:04 p.m. on Wednesday, 23rd August. Chandrayaan-3 mission was launched on 14th July, which is followed on to the Chandrayaan-2 mission in a view to demonstrate end-to-end capability in safe landing and roving on the lunar surface. The Inter-Frontier Judo Cluster Competition 2023 organised by BSF Meghalaya Frontier kicked off today amidst fervour and excitement at the Northeastern Hill University campus in Shillong. The 5-day event, scheduled from August 21st to August 25th, 2023, attracted participation from 11 BSF Frontiers, each vying for glory in this competition that showcases their prowess, skills and camaraderie. The opening ceremony saw the participation of Meghalaya DGP Dr. L.R. Bishnoi, Inspector General of BSF Meghalaya Frontier Pradeep Kumar and officials from various sister agencies. The ceremony commenced with an oath-taking ritual symbolizing the participants' commitment to fair play and sportsmanship.
And I'm sure out of this tournament some of the national players will emerge, and it is a legacy of the BSF. They have been organizing such tournament at various places, and they have produced many national and international players. And out of this tournament also, you will find that some national players will emerge, and it will inspire the other players also.
India Meteorological Department IMD has predicted heavy to very heavy rainfall spell likely over northeast India and Sikkim during the next 5 days. It said isolated heavy rainfall is also expected in Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and northwest Uttar Pradesh during the 5 days and over East Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh in the next 2 to 3 days. The 10th North-East Zone Shooting Championship 2023 Rifle and Pistol, organised by the Shooting Association of Meghalaya in collaboration with the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs Government of Meghalaya, kick-started today at the indoor and outdoor shooting ranges of the Assam Regimental Centre in Happy Valley, Shillong. 227 shooters from 6 states of Northeast except Tripura and Sikkim will be competing in different shooting categories in the coming 7 days. A 10-member jury and technical officials from National Rifle Association of India will oversee the conduct of the tournament as per the rules and regulation laid down by the National Rifle Association of India.
We have around more than 130 shooters from all over, which includes also shooters from the services, which is the Army and the paramilitary forces. And we wish them all the best. The tournament is from the 21st to the 27th of August 2023, and we do hope to one day have our own range where we will be able to produce more shooters. Meghalaya is represented by about 25 shooters. There are almost 50 events being conducted here in different categories, and this is the first time we are conducting so many events.
And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature 25.4 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 18.4 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 85% and in the evening 86%, rainfall nil, forecast moderate rain is very likely to occur in many places. And now for the headlines once again. Women empowerment crucial for upliftment of country and society, says President Murmu. Ex-police officer M. Khagrang blames undeployment for emergence of new militant outfit in the state. Chandrayaan-3 starts process of identifying site for safe landing on Moon's surface. And 10th North-East Shooting Championship kick-starts in Shillong. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.